Milanese Cutlet, crispy, golden, and delicious. Today, we'll show you how to make it. Serve it with the fresh Arugula salad. To make Milanese Cutlet, you'll need pork cutlets, eggs, clarified butter, breadcrumbs, a pinch of salt, and pepper. And for a salad, fresh arugula, cherry tomatoes, lemon, shaved Parmesan cheese, good extra virgin olive oil, and of course, salt and pepper. So, let's start cooking. Place the cutlets between two sheets of plastic or parchment. Pound until about 1/4 for each 6 mm and even, and just two so they cook uniformly. Season both sides with salt and pepper. Classic 2-bowl setup. Bowl 1, beaten eggs, and bowl 2, breadcrumbs. Dip in egg, let it drip. And into the breadcrumbs, press gently so the coating adheres. Heat a white skillet over medium-high. Add enough clarified butter or oil plus butter to thinly coat the pan. Fry 2 to 3 minutes per side until deeply golden and crisp. Don't overcrowd. Work in batches if needed. When the cutlet is ready, place it on a plate with kitchen paper. Make the arugula salad. Let's start with the cherry tomatoes. I prefer to cut them in half. In a large bowl, add the arugula and cherry tomatoes. Then whisk the juice of a lemon with 3 tablespoons of olive oil, a pinch of salt and pepper. Add 2 ingredients and mix well. Okay, plate the cutlet. Mount the salad right on top or alongside. Finish with shaved Parmesan and a wedge of lemon. That's it, Milan on a plate. A golden, buttery crust, then the peppery butt of arugula, sweet tomatoes, and salty Parmesan. If you try this Cotoletta Milanese, drop a comment with your crunch level and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious classics. Buon appetito!